Miyoshi-san, welcome to the Electronics Shoe channel.
Okay, sir.
Right. Can you tell us about Nichicon's presence in India?
Okay, so at first, Nichicon is a Japanese manufacturer founded in 1950 and headquartered in Kyoto, Japan. And Nichicon's core business is the production of electronics devices such as aluminum electric capacitors and film capacitors. Nichicon has been active in India since Nichicon Electronics India was established in 2012. And we opened the sales office in Bangalore, Delhi, and Pune because India is a very large country and the customers are located all over the country. Our three offices have been supporting the Indian customers from 2012.
Thanks for telling us about Nichicon's presence. So, how does India fit into your global strategy?
Okay, so India is considered as the most important market, especially for our capacitor business, because the largest population in the world, many industries are entering India now, and the electronic components demand expect to increase dramatically. India is the largest manufacturer for two-wheeler and also the three largest market for four-wheeler. Then the India will be the major area of the automotive application. Also, there is a very unique demand in India market, such as smart energy meter, EV two-wheeler, EV three-wheeler, and solar-related products. Then we can get the success in this application. Then it will contribute to the all our capacitor business.
So, how do you want Indian R&D or new product development engineers to remember the brand Nichicon as?
Okay, so we want the R&D and the NPD engineer in India to remember the brand Nichicon as leading technology company. As a professional of capacitor, our team will understand the technical requirement and provide the optimal solution. We also developed our strategic lineup special for Indian market because specific performance of capacitor require in particular applications such as EV two-wheeler or smart energy meter. Then we study the requirement from Indian customer and develop the special products, especially for Indian customer.
Can you tell us about what all investments have Nichicon made in India so far?
Okay, so we believe that we already have major presence in India in aluminum electrolyte capacitors, and with further expanding presence of aluminum electrolyte capacitor, we also want to establish a presence in other components such as film capacitor and SLB. And we also gradually expanding our sales team to achieve continuous sales expansion. And in addition, FAE belong to India was newly added in this year to support technical requirement. And for production side, we are producing our products in Japan, Malaysia, and China. Then we aggressively invest and strengthen our capacitor production system and increase the capacity to support the increasing demand.
So, Government of India has been promoting Make in India, Design in India in the last few years. How has that resulted in growth of demand for your components?
Okay, so the policy of Make in India and the Design in India definitely are giving us new business opportunity. And I think one strong point of India is everything from design to mass production is completed in one country. So we can get a lot of opportunity from engineer in design stage, and the selected components are used in mass production. So our team trying to capture the generate demand by continuous support from designing to making.
Nowadays, we are seeing that the design is different from manufacturing, etc. Right? So, how are you handling this complication in this process?
Okay, so nowadays global customer are increasing the dividing up the designing process. For example, one application engineer who is located in Europe develop products first. Then the components engineer who is located in India who validate the components. Then procurement manager who is located in Asia selects the supplier. This kind of international division of designing process become popular because India has a lot of tech manpower. Now it's trend that the global company establish R&D function in India and outsource a part of designing process. In this stream, definitely design win activity in India will contribute to increasing the order to us.
Thank you, Miyoshi.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you.
Nichicon is known as a supplier for capacitors.
Yes,
But
correct.
it looks like you have a lot of range of products, including SLB.
Yes, correct.
Right?
Yeah.
Can you tell us more about what SLB are and what is Nichicon's innovations in this area?
Okay. So basically, like our customer know Nichicon, we are popular about aluminum electric capacitors.
Okay.
But actually, other than aluminum electric capacitors, we have another very great products. We
Okay.
call it as small lithium-ion rechargeable batteries. Actually,
Okay.
so one of the characteristics of our rechargeable batteries, like comparing to the conventional rechargeable batteries,
Okay.
the first one is very long life.
Okay.
So for our rechargeable SLB series, we call it SLB series.
Okay.
So we can up to 25,000 cycles of life.
Wow. Okay.
Like comparing to the conventional, normally only few thousand cycles.
Okay.
Then after few thousand cycles, normally for conventional, their capacity already below 80%.
Okay.
But for our SLB series product,
Okay.
even after 25,000 cycles, we can still maintain up to minimum 80% of the capacity actually.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
actually,
Even
and
after 25,000.
even after 25,000 cycles.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And another characteristic for our SLB series is very fast charging and discharging.
Okay.
And it also can be used in very low temperature as low as -30 degree.
Wow.
I don't know whether you know or not. Actually, in the conventional lithium-ion batteries, minimum they can go up to -20 degree only. But
Okay.
our SLB can go -30 degree. So in a very cold region, right, it's very suitable to use this kind of battery actually.
What are the applications where your battery surpasses everybody else, which are where the engineers are looking for batteries like yours?
So for example, one of the examples of our very popular customer is Samsung in their stylus pen actually.
Okay.
They use in their stylus pen. Before this, they use SuperCap.
Okay.
Now we engaging with their customer. We change from SuperCap to to our SLB series.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is enabling them to be able to charge the
To
device.
charge, and they can use for a long time.
Okay.
Yeah, and they can use like since the Samsung stylus pen, right? They have this button you can click to take picture.
Mhm.
So you can just one charge and they can use like very long time to take pictures and video as well.
Understood.
Yeah.
And would it also be very useful for products where, like wearables, etc.?
Yes, actually, it's very also wearable devices is also one of our target segment for this SLB series.
Okay.
Because when you use this SLB series is because our batteries can be charged using solar or using anything that
Okay.
energy harvesting devices, right? We can charge our SLB series battery, meaning that we currently are using any batteries. You need to change the battery every 2 months or every 4 months. But with our rechargeable batteries, there is no need to change any battery anymore. So meaning that it's maintenance free. In terms of long-term use, I think we can say it's very cost effective as well actually.
And which kind of customers from India do you see more demand from? What do you get
Okay.
inquiries from with respect to SL?
Okay, for India customer currently, we don't have successful customer yet,
Right.
but we have engaged with this one particular application in smart meter
Okay.
in their communication module.
Understood.
As a backup power, actually they use we are currently in the discussion with one of our customer
Okay.
using our SLB series battery.
Understood.
Yes, correct.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Is there any demo that you can show to our viewers?
Yeah, of course, I can show you one very simple demo for your understanding. Okay, so basically this demo to show the energy density between 3 types of capacitors. The
Okay.
first one is the supercap.
Okay.
The second one is the lithium-ion capacitor, and the third one is our SLB series capacitor.
Okay.
So
So you put all the three on this board.
yes, correct. All the three on one board. Now we want to see is after I switch off the power supply,
Okay.
how long they can give the time for backup power.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now just a simple I turn off the power supply.
Okay.
Actually, now we can see like the first one to stop will be the EDLC,
It's
the
finished.
super cap already
Right,
finished. The
finished.
fan start moving,
Okay.
and
On top of
it will take a little bit of time.
Okay.
So for the second one will be the lithium-ion capacitors actually.
Okay.
Mm-mm. Yeah, now
Okay, so now it's
it's already stopped moving for
so this
lithium ion
has also
capacitors.
stopped, and this one is still going on.
Yeah, our SLB
And
series
this is
still going
SLB,
on.
and that is
Yes,
still
correct.
stopped.
Yes,
Okay.
correct. So
Okay.
basically, if it is fully charged, it can up to 3 to 4 minutes
Okay.
for backup
So
power.
it means the capacity is more.
The capacity
same
is more
size.
for the same size. That is actually
Okay.
one of our strong in this domain actually.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Okay. So is this available as an evaluation board, or
If you require an evaluation board, actually we can support you as well.
you can?
You can just let any of the Nichicon staff know, and we can provide you evaluation board as well.
Okay. Love.
Because
Okay.
some customer, if you provide only batteries, they don't know what to do.
Exactly.
Yeah, so
Exactly.
that's why we provide evaluation board as well.
Okay. Now, with respect to capacitors,
Yeah.
and one of the exciting segments that you said is EV, right? So, have there been any major innovations in the capacitors to cater to the EV segment? And if
Okay.
yes, can you share some details?
So as we can see, like in India currently, the EV segment is very growing up very rapidly, right?
Right.
As you may know.
Right.
So in Nichicon also we as a capacitor manufacturer, even though we are a passive component, internally we are developing our product as well.
Okay.
So what we can see in the trend of the EV requirement, right? When the trend is like they want a very high capacitance, high ripple current, but in very compact case size.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So in that case, that's why we have like a few lineups just only focus for EV market actually.
Okay.
Yeah. Actually, this is the lineup.
Okay. These are the various.
These are the various lineup that we prepare for only for EV market. We target for EV market.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here also you're showing certain products.
Actually, here is actually I'm showing a certain products which is targeting for the inverter application.
Okay. One
For-
is the inverter application.
Yeah. For example, for the inverter application. So currently for inverter application, mainly they are using this kind of the film capacitor.
Okay.
But actually, this kind of film capacitor is very, very expensive.
Okay.
It's taking longer time.
Okay.
And some of our customer, they don't want to wait until 2 to 3 years just to finish for one product.
Okay.
So that's why for EV market or for any automotive segment, right, we are seeking to provide a product like a small instead of this kind of big one.
Okay.
We go with the small products, and they can use this in multiple pieces, whether in series or in parallel connection actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this gives them a modular.
Yeah, a
Which they can
modular
use as per their design.
as per their design. Yes,
and
correct.
It is faster to produce.
And this is actually as you can see here,
Okay.
we are planning to schedule for the mass production for this
In
starting from
2026.
2026.
Okay. So samples will be available in 2026 Q2.
Samples actually we already available.
Okay.
Actually, currently we already supply samples to a few customers,
Okay.
but for the mass production, you need to wait until 2026.
I understand.
Yeah.
And is this for all kind of EVs or more for two-wheelers or four-wheelers, etc.?
Basically, this one not only focus on EV. For
Okay.
two-wheeler, three-wheeler, or for normal automotive application as well, we can use this kind of products.
Okay. Normal automotive also, wherever capacitor is required, this is good.
Yes, correct. One of the characteristics for this one is very, very high voltage.
Okay. Okay.
Very high voltage.
Very high voltage. So they can.
Compared to the normal aluminum capacitor like this, maybe for one pieces, maximum 500 volts. So to achieve 5,000, they need to use multiple pieces, 2 pieces in series, for example.
Okay.
But for this kind of products, only 1 pieces we can achieve 1,000 volts.
Okay.
Yeah.
Interesting. And is there a special name that you've given to this series? This new series that's
The
coming?
new series, actually we call it as SH.
SH.
Or current, sometimes it depends on the requirement as well. We call it EM series as well.
Thank you very much for explaining everything about Nichicon and its innovative products.
Yeah, thank you very much also for visiting our booth for today's exhibition as well.
So I hope our audience have got a very good update about what's latest in the field of capacitors and SLBs. And if there are any doubts or queries, please post it on our channel, and we will share those with the Nichicon team and get them answered as soon as possible. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.